Oh, ano na pre? Ready na oh. Kakapit na lang. Kailangan lang ng mas malaking plywood. Lagyan pa ng mga fishing rod dyan. Yan, final touch sa ating bed truck camper. Tapos na, yan oh. Yan, ilalagay na lang yung topper. Yan oh. Tapos, tapos yun, ready na. I'm so excited for tomorrow. The first time susubukan natin mag-camping sa truck camper. Matagal ko na itong pinaplano since last year. Kaya hopefully mag-work out to kasi may kong preparation na ginawa para dito lang. And in the future, sana makapag-camping tayo sa mga wild camping spot. Yan. Hopefully sa Vancouver, ganyan, o kaya Calgary. So, yan. DIY lang yan. Puro libre to kasi mga scrap lang to kinuha ko sa trabaho. Yan, no? Tapos may space tayo dito at malagayan ng mga gamit tsaka mga fishing rod kanan. Kanan. See you guys tomorrow. Let's go. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog dahil marami akong naging summer project sa aking bahan. This time, ito yung first time namin na mag-camping sa taong ito. And this is what I've been working on. Look at this. Yan, nirebuild ko yan. May mga missing gasket pa akong na ilalagay. But so far, ito yung ginawa kong frame. Which is mamaya ipapakita ko kung paano ko isa-set up to. It's gonna be exciting. So let's go, let's try it. Dami pa rin, punong-puno pa rin. Ayan, punong-puno pa rin ang gamit. Hi! You guys ready?
Okay.
Where you going? You go camping?
Going here.
Camping! Let's go, Ricky boy!
To see the
To see the beach way! Ang pupunta natin is Greenwater Lake. Pumunta na sila paring Julio last time at saka si paring Jan. Pero hindi kami nakasama. Yes. Subukan naman natin. Let's go. Daan mo tayo ng McDonald's.
smile.
And guys, we are almost there and nakikita ko na yung mga woods. Ayan o. Lapit na At itong mga batuting ay tulog. Isa, Ricky boy. Hey. We're almost there, Ricky boy. How's the drive again? Kaya. We are here at the Greenwater Lake. Welcome to Greenwater Lake. Oh, okay. Oh, right there. Fisherman's Cove Resort. I'm not gonna go fish anyway. No? You want to fishing? Okay.
You don't have license. Ma-check ka mo tawa.
Let's go find
Beach? Oh, you see beach? Look who's happy here.
You wanna go swim, Ricky boy? You wanna go swim?
Ayun at campground.
We're just scrolling here and then we're gonna go home, okay? Hey, we're gonna go home after this. We're just scrolling, okay? Yes?
Oh no, mommy.
Oh no.
Let's go home now, okay?
I want the beach.
You want the beach?
The road.
Oh, I'm not crossing the road.
I'm not crossing the road. Why, you're not a ghost. You laughing, Ricky boy? Bitch.
Look at the San Francisco Bridge there.
Niya, dapat kayo ayaw man ni Jenny. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, Eya will stay in the tent, okay? Kuya, daddy, and mommy will go play.
Okay?
Okay?
Ah,
Okay?
no.
You coming?
Are you coming?
I need my peach.
You gotta help daddy to pick up some woods, okay?
Okay.
Come on, Ricky boy. Downside ng camper mo ay yung truck bed is lagi mong dala yung bed saan ka man magpunta, kaya kukuha na tayo ngayon ng mga kahoy bago tayo pumunta sa ating spot. So grab some wood, okay? Get some wood and then throw it in the truck, okay? Here. Grab this one. Go. Put it in the truck. Go. Okay, boy, grab some wood.
Yeah.
Then put it in the truck.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Kapsot. This one. Come on. Good job, boy. Okay. Ang mga alipores ko. Galing, oh. Okay. Come here, Ehang. Grab some more. Come here. Oh, be careful. One way, two way, we're going. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa campsite namin. Ganda, oh. Woods. To the woods.
Into the
So,
woods.
ang downside kanina is lagi mong dala-dala yung camper pagka ganito yung ginawa nyo. But then, ang good side naman is once na i-unload mo yung mga gamit, at the same time, parang nagpe-prepare ka na rin ng bed. So, gawin natin yan. Pagkita ko sa inyo kung anong ibig kong sabihin. Tara.
Hello.
Yan guys, ito na yan. Sana makapag-create ako ng ibang video kung paano ko ginawa to. But, ito yung mga scrap galing sa trabaho ko. So, free lang siya. 2x4. Tapos naglagay ako ng weight displacement dito. Hindi mo naman kailangan gawin. Pero I like it that it's there. And then, naglagay ako ng spacer dito. Para tumaas siya ng konti. And then brace. Para flat na flat siya. So, hilahin lang natin yung plywood. And then, magiging bed na siya.
Ayan, can you move that one, anak ko? Move that.
Yeah.
Hold.
Okay.
Bigyan mo ito mo. Ipakasin mo. Pagkatanta.
Mommy.
Okay. Hilahin natin yung plywood.
Are you hungry, boy?
There you go. May bed na tayo. Guys, sinita nyo, mayroon siyang bingkong ng konti dito. Siyempre, Boy Scout. Nagdala ako ng tools para nabasa kasi yung kahoy kasi scrap lang to, nakuha ko lang sa trabaho.
Hi. Hi.
There you go. Yung mga nagbabalak na gustong gumawa ng ganito, meron lang siyang sa lahat ng truck meron space dito. Minsan napasukan niya ng alikabok, kaya ang remedy natin is lagyan natin ng gasket. Marami kayong mabibili sa Walmart o kaya Home Depot. But again, kinuha ko to lahat sa trabaho. Libre na naman to. Eh, lalagay lang natin dito. Ayan. So, line up lang natin na ganyan. Okay, let's try that. Dito ko ba talaga ginawa? Dapat ginawa ko to noon pa eh. It's okay. Trial lang naman to eh. Yan.
Don't go there, don't go there.
Okay. Check natin. Ayan o, medyo seal na siya. Meron pa rin konting ano.
Oo, daddy.
That's okay. Wala pa akong nabibiling foam. Gusto ko sana yung medyo manipis na foam. Pero ito muna. Airbed muna. Okay naman siya. Eksakto lang yan eh. Yan, next time bili tayo ng ibang foam kasi ito hindi natin ma-maximize yung space niya. Supposed to be meron pa siyang ano yan eh. Mga at least, yan o.
Dapat
Space pa yan dyan.
hiking.
Maluwang. Maluwang kahit pahiga nagamit pa ganyan no. So yan. Ayos na ayos.
Maligo yun naman.
Tsaka dapat mas mababa sana. It's na, ready na. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, yung downside niya is may gusto kang pupuntahan, dadalhin mo yung bench yan kasi siyempre sasakay ka. Diba? Mamaya magbi-beach kami. Pero ngayon, magsisibak muna tayo. Ha? Diba? Ayos! Simple lang. Yun ang gusto ko. Yung madali, simple. Okay, grab my axe. Where's my axe? Okay, this is the Viking style Ricky. Make sure you hit the center, okay? You hold it like this. You look like a bakla. Ready? Set? Shibak, shibak. Okay? Ready? Set? Ow! What did you do? What did you do, mommy? Daddy mo. Okay, ready, set. Yeah. Wait, one more. Yay! Yay! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
Daddy. Let's go. It's okay.
Why?
It's okay.
Then we shall have some fire. What's up, boy? Why are you crying? Whoa. There's a light. There's a light. My kind of light. So yun, nakaset up na lahat. So medyo mamamasyal muna kami, magbe-beach muna kami, maglalaro and mag-ihaw tayo. And then so far I'm happy how it turned out kasi kung makikita nyo, ready na, diba? Kasi ang plano ko is I'm gonna take this truck all over the country. And hopefully makapag-cross tayo ng border as well gamit nito. So, makikita, kitang-kita pala doon, no? Cool ka lang. wala pang masyadong mga tao kasi malamig pang ang panahon ngayon. Maybe next month marami ng tao rito. Kasi ang ganda oh. Excited, Ricky boy?
Gapin na daddy.
Ricky! Oh. Don't go in the water, it's too cold. Don't go in the water yet. It's too cold, boy. It's too cold.
Yes.
Wait. Let's go to the playground first, okay? Come on, let's go to the playground first. Over there. What happened? You stumbled down? Whoa! Come on, get up. Get up and put your crooks on.
Wait.
You're too light here. Oh, ito yung San Francisco Bridge, oh. Yung Saskatchewan. Marina. You're in a wooden bridge, boy. See, there's a lot of fishing spot here. Oh, may nakahuli siya, oh. Pike. Kararating lang tong loko na tong bata na to. Kaya may nakuha na ng ano. Oh, look at it. See, what is that? It's a fish. It's a fish. Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
Capture this or you're gonna get that one?
I don't know. Wait, if it's over 2 pounds, I probably keep it.
Oh, okay. There's a limit.
No, there's a size.
Just keep it down.
Good catch.
Good catch.
Well, you see the fish? Yay! We're gonna go fishing. Gonna go fishing? Uh-oh. Keeper?
Yep.
That's good. Phew. No, you don't jump in there. And guys, that was a little bit fun. But we're gonna go back to our campsite kasi masyadong malamig. Sayang lang hindi makapag-swimming si Ricky. Siguro bukas tingnan natin kung medyo maganda yung panahon. Lamig pa rin. Grabe. Whew. Mababaw siya. Hindi magandang mag-fishing. Dapat dun. Okay. Mix it up. Good job, boy. Good job.
Hurry up.
Just wanna eat. Tapos mag-barbecue tayo dito, mag-bonfire. Anong iba-barbecue natin, Maget? Corn and... What? Kebab. Where is it?
Ito na yun.
And kebab. I wanna make it simple. I wanna make it simple and easy.
Okay,
Para
wash your hand.
hindi na nahihirapan. Oh. Hey, what's the taste, boy? You cook it and eat it? Wow, good job, eh? High five. Hey, high five. Good job. You like camping, boy? Oh. Gutom. Gutom na gutom. Pwede nang mag-ihaw, oh. Kebab ini. Kebab ini.
No.
Thank you, may stock?
Kain tayo.
Not ready.
Kebab, corn, rice, saka asparagus. Sarap ito. Ha? Kain tayo.
Medyo na kaya?
Ano? Asparagus para sa buntis. Ay. Ayan, that was a good meal. Medyo malamig. Bibihis na lang yung mga bata tapos matutulog na sila. Tapos kami mag-bonfire muna kami saglit. Silipin natin yung lalaki. Oh. Cuckoo Martin! Hello, Ricky boy! You like it there, boy? Medyo malamig siya. Pero ayos lang. 3 naman yung heater ko, kaya kayang-kaya. Yeah? Ready? Set? Go! Yoo! Get it down. Your head here. So watch out. Come down a little bit. Come down a little bit. So yun guys, so far I'm so happy how it turned out yung truck camper natin. Sure, there's a lot of options there like having trailer camper, pero ang downside naman nun is ayoko maghila ng trailer, especially pag malayo yung campsite. So, but I'm looking forward to get one, pero for now ito muna yung kaya kong ibigay para sa kanila. And I would say no matter what you have, as long as you go out there, have fun, make some memories, yun ang pinaka-importante yun. Right? Diba? Yan, papatulugin ko na lang yung mga bata and then magmumuni-muni muna tayo. Good night guys. Sleep time. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night. Okay. Alright. See? Say hi, Aya. Itong mga to magsiselfon pa ang mga yan. Ako matutulog na kasi ako ang nag-drive kanina eh. Medyo pagod ako. Long drive. Okay. Good night. Bye. Morning guys. For sure, sarap magtulog ng mata. Success. Almusal tayo. Good morning guys. Medyo malamig. Okay lang sa loob niya kasi may heater kaso sobrang lamig sa labas. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Did you say good morning?
Hey.
No.
Good morning.
No? You don't wanna say good
You want to say
morning?
good morning?
Say good morning.
Let me check
Good
it on.
morning.
Put your jacket on.
Yeah. Gotta put your jacket on. It's too cold. Tara, magsiga tayo para uminit ng konti. Tapos prepare tayo ng breakfast and then we're heading out again to Regina. Tapos na yung camping natin. So far, successful yung first camp natin. What are you making? Wow! Yeah, you get a waffle?
Waffle.
Yeah. Did you put some
Cream.
Did you put some cream and syrup in there?
Yes, Daddy.
Wow. Taste it.
Not this. The cream, ano ko.
Just the cream? You don't have a knife?
No,
Uh-oh.
Mommy forgot. It's okay. It's a camping.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
You?
No.
Is that yours?
No.
No.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, galing ng chef, huh?
I'm gonna get it.
Hop. Ang sarap. Yeah. Hi. Uh-oh. What happened? Ba, sarap ng ano, waffle ni Mrs. Ang gili-good na. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami kasi one night lang kami. Usually pag nagkakamping kami, one night lang kasi medyo nakakasawa na kasi pagka 2 days, 3 days, ganun. Iba pa rin pag nasa bahay. Yan. Kaya abangan natin yan sa mga susunod na camping trip namin. Dahil iniisip namin, pwede to sa Diefenbaker. Kasi pwede nating i-atras sa malapit sa lake habang nagpe-fishing ako. Naglalaro sila, pwede kami mag-camp dyan. I don't think na pwedeng mag-camping doon, pero dahil meron tayong ganyan, diyan tayo matutulog. So ayan, as always, this is D. Samahan nyo ako lagi sa aming mga camping trip. And hopefully, I'm inspiring somebody else out there na i-enjoy yung family habang maaga pa, habang sila ay bata pa. Make some memories and have fun. You know? So we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace! Can you say bye, camping?
Papa.
See you next time.
Papa.
Bababu.
Tito Bobo.
I said see you next time.
Next time.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Old style.
Wait.
I think this one is 1969. 1989. Old school. That's so cool. I want one like this.
Tula. Tula, dunda ka. Tula, dunda ka.
Yeah, daddy loves you.